SmartFlow AI. Imagine describing any business process in plain English and watching a complete multi-agent automation system build itself, deploy to the cloud, and start running, all in under 60 seconds. That's SmartFlow AI, and it's about to change how businesses think about automation. Every day, companies waste countless hours on repetitive tasks that could be automated. The problem? Building automation traditionally requires weeks of development, multiple specialized systems, complex integrations, and cloud deployment expertise that most businesses simply don't have.
SmartFlow AI is a revolutionary self-generating multi-agent workflow platform built specifically for Google Cloud's Agent Development Kit. Here's what makes it special. You simply describe your business process in natural language, and SmartFlow automatically designs the workflow, generates specialized AI agents, builds deployment containers, and orchestrates everything in the cloud. This isn't just another automation tool, it's a complete AI system that creates other AI systems. Each generated workflow consists of multiple intelligent agents that communicate with each other using advanced protocols, connect to real business services like Gmail and Slack, and run completely autonomously in Google Cloud. Let me walk you through how SmartFlow works under the hood. First, our process parser agent uses Google's Gemini AI to convert your natural language description into structured workflow JSON. This isn't simple keyword matching, it's true understanding of business processes. Next, the agent generator creates specialized agents for each workflow step. These aren't template-based bots, they're full ADK agents with MCP connectors for external services like Gmail, Google Sheets, and Slack. Then our Cloud Deployment Manager automatically containerizes each agent and deploys them to Google Cloud Run with proper networking and authentication configured. Finally, the Workflow Orchestrator coordinates everything using ADK's agent-to-agent protocol, enabling autonomous communication and collaboration between distributed agents. The entire system is built on Google Cloud technologies, Vertex AI for natural language processing, Cloud Run for hosting, Firestore for state management, and native integrations with Gmail, Sheets, and BigQuery APIs. Now let me show you SmartFlow in action with 3 real business scenarios. You'll see how we go from plain English description to running automation in seconds, with real agents communicating with each other and connecting to actual business services. Watch as I demonstrate customer onboarding automation, daily sales reporting, and support ticket routing. Through real-time Slack notifications. What makes SmartFlow truly revolutionary is that it's not using pre-built templates or simple rule-based systems. Every agent is generated from scratch using advanced AI with proper error handling, authentication, and inter-agent communication protocols. The agents communicate using ADK's agent-to-agent protocol, which means they can coordinate complex multi-step processes autonomously. They connect to real business services through MCP connectors, so they're not just generating emails, they're actually sending them through your Gmail account. Everything runs in Google Cloud with enterprise-grade security, scalability, and monitoring. You get real-time visibility into workflow execution, agent communications, and system performance. SmartFlow AI represents the future of business automation. By making advanced multi-agent systems accessible to anyone who can describe their process in English, we're democratizing AI automation for businesses of all sizes. No more weeks of development time, no more complex technical integrations, no more choosing between powerful but complicated solutions or simple but limited ones. From idea to running system in under a minute, that's the power of SmartFlow AI. Built entirely on Google Cloud with cutting-edge AI technologies, it's ready to transform how your business operates.